Hi, Bill Jones from Turntastic Wood Designs. I put together this party set from scraps that I had from previous projects. It includes a wine yoke that holds a couple of glasses and goes over a wine bottle, and a wine bottle stopper with a corkscrew built in. Also a bottle opener, 3 different kinds of cheese knives, a little hors d'oeuvre fork, 2 small cheese boards, and a large cutting board. If you'd like to see how I did this, stick around and I'll show you next. Well, now that I've got my party set all put together, I'm pretty happy. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please like and share with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And now that I have a party set, I can, if I ever get a friend, I could invite them over and we could have some tasty beverages, some delicious meats and cheeses on Ritz crackers. And we could put, I could bust out my tape deck and we could put on some of that rock and roll music that the youth of today so enjoy. And we could boogie down in a like such manner. Thanks for watching.